Before starting a new chapter, spend 10 minutes reviewing the foundational laws that lead to it. Example: you can't master electromagnetism without understanding Newton's laws of motion. Never solve a mechanics problem without a diagram. And free body diagram translates a word problem into a geometric one, making the math obvious. The hack: use different colors for different force vectors: gravity, tension, friction. This is the ultimate exam saver. If you forget a formula, look at the units. Using units you can solve the numerical. Always check the units of your final answer. Don't just memorize equations. Try to understand the concept. Imagine it in your mind. The moment you stumble or say, "It just works that way," you have found a knowledge gap. Go back to the book, fix that specific gap, and repeat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Comment for more tips and tricks.